The Earth is a planet that makes up the solar system, and the interacting force of the Sun, Earth, and Moon generates ocean currents and tidal currents. These tidal currents appear as the high tide and low tide, and along with the ocean current, are an energy source that must be commercialized as a semi-permanent source of energy. We introduce various technologies of flow resistance plates and rotors that can generate sustainable power, irrespective of the direction of flow velocity, by utilizing diversified sea fluid energy. This technology configuration is a marine power generation system composed of a structure, a rotating body, a rotating table, a resistance plate, and a generator. It is a patent technology for a rotating body that adds rotational force independently, and a principle of operation of a resistance plate, which is not influenced by the direction of flow. As the first technology for this, the resistance plate has an upper and lower area difference, a specific gravity difference, and an angle limiting portion inside the rotary axis. As the fluid moves vertically in the forward direction and horizontally in the reverse direction, it will always rotate in a constant direction regardless of the flow direction. In addition, the inside of the resistance plate is formed as a curved line, minimizing hanging of floating objects. The second resistance plate operation technology is based on the difference of the weight between the upper and lower parts, where the upper part is made lighter and lower part is made heavier than the weight of the fluid. On the receiving side, the resistance is received by the jaw of the swivel support, and the opposite direction is constantly rotated in a constant direction, regardless of the direction of the flow velocity. The third technology is separating the left and right of the resistance plate with the area difference. The left and right area are equipped with a differential rotation part, which causes resistance when the large area part faces the front face and rotates so that it becomes non-resistance when facing the rear face. The fourth technology is a patented technology developed from the idea of installing a resistance plate. The resistance plate is installed at the end of the rotation plate, and the rotation plate is used as a resistance plate support. Resistance occurs in the positive direction of the fluid, and non-resistance occurs in the reverse direction, so that it always develops in a constant direction. In addition, the rotating hinge part of the resistance plate is curved to minimize hanging and shocks from floating matter such as nets. These four resistance plate technologies can be combined with the two rotating technologies to enable large-scale development. The multiple rotating body is divided into an integrated multiple rotating body and an independent multiple rotating body. The integrated multiple rotating body is a principle that simultaneously works the forces of multiple resistance plate rotors together. The independent multiple rotating body operates on the principle that each resistance plate rotating body transmits its force. A number of resistance plate rotors are installed vertically in one structure, and each rotating body uses energy transmission shaft and unidirectional rotating body to generate energy by individual rotation or integrated rotation. As such, the 5 power generation technologies are designed to be able to rotate in a constant direction regardless of the direction of various flow rates, thereby maximizing energy generation. This technology is effective for generating ripples, ebb, and bottleneck flows. In addition, this technology is more efficient and economical than any marine power generation technology by using fluid motion itself for power generation with minimal civil works. A small difference makes great technology. Although there are tens of thousands of marine patented technologies, Songjiang's marine power generation technology is developing only the best technologies necessary to solve various marine problems and is looking for companies to commercialize about 50 marine technologies. We will do our best to preserve the global environment.